Watch the precision. This machine fills every bottle with incredible speed and accuracy. This machine automatically sorts metal parts with impressive speed and precision. This automated machine shapes and trims the product at high speed, delivering precise, clean, and consistent results in seconds. Plastic powder is placed into a mold, colored, and then heated while rotating until it forms a strong, seamless storage tank. This machine splits large cables to separate the outer insulation from the metal core inside. The process is fast, precise, and makes material recycling much more efficient. After being scalded to loosen the hair, the pig is placed into a deherring machine. Rotating rubber paddles quickly remove the hair, leaving the skin clean and ready for the next processing stage. In just seconds, this machine turns whole potatoes into perfectly uniform potato sticks. One machine to functions, cuts and punches pipes with high precision, delivering clean results while boosting your productivity. Onion harvesting is now faster and more efficient. This machine lifts the harvest with ease, saving labor, reducing time, and boosting productivity. This automatic labeling machine operates at high speed, applying labels to every can with precision for a clean, consistent finish ready for packaging. This automatic packaging machine folds, fills, and seals packages at high speed. Every product is processed with precision, delivering neat, hygienic packaging ready for distribution.